How to create and add a scene on OBS,
such as stream is over scene, be right back scene, stream starting soon scene, and more. Firstly, go to Canva to make your own design. You can use desktop wallpaper, Twitch screen, or Twitch screen overlay. You can also search for templates on Canva itself. There's so many templates here that look so good and fun. You can also search on YouTube for free templates and no copyright. This is the one that I've made. Go to share, then download. Make sure to put it on MP4 video. Just wait for it to finish, then we can move to OBS. Press the plus button and name it to whatever you want to name it. Once you add the scene, press the add button and press media source. I suggest you add a name so that you don't get confusion. Press the browse button and find your file. Make sure to press the loop button and OK. As you can see, the video is too big, so let's adjust that. Make sure to mute the unnecessary sounds like your mic and the audio of your computer. And if you wanna add a separate audio, just do the same process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you start streaming, it should look like this.